Hi, my name's Isabella and I'm studying Theatre, Television and Performance here at Wrexham Glyndwr University. If you're thinking about going to university, the best piece of advice I can give you is to visit an open day. Here are my top tips. Find the tutor of the subject you're interested in and ask questions. Talk to student ambassadors about their experience, as well as people from finance, accommodation and admissions. Studying is a big part of universities, but clubs and societies are the best way to make friends. Find out what's on offer and speak to students involved to find out more. Take a campus tour on the day. They're your opportunity to discover our facilities and student accommodation. Find out more about our open days by visiting wgu.ac.uk/open day. In the meantime, if you have any questions, email us on inquiries@glyndwr.ac.uk or call 01978 293439.